Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can reduce your render time in Blender using the EEVEE engine. So guys, there you can see I have a random project file. Now I will show you how you can reduce its render time even if you have a low budget GPU. Okay, so now there you can see I have rendered a frame using the normal settings, and there you can see its render time. Now I'm gonna show you how you can reduce it and make your rendering fast in Blender. So all you have to do is reduce the render number here, and now see the difference. So there you can see you can increase the speed by decreasing the number, but it will affect the quality of the frame. But I think you should try it because it's gonna make your rendering really fast in Blender. So now let's check with this render number. Good. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.